Shoreline chokes, water running slow. Summer dark, nowhere left to